Hard to see this in this bright light, if I'm recording or not. Oh boy. Yeah, looks like I am. Anyhow, some people think that when their basement leaks, all they got to do is add more dirt, bring the grade up higher, the water will run away. What we have here is a little different situation. The AC guy installed the air conditioners, and he thought, oh, the air conditioners were supposed to be back in there, but for some reason he put them out here, and he had to shovel a bundle of dirt down. But what happened was he filled up alongside the house. You can see the trim board down there along here, and you can see we got plenty of gap there. The trim board, I don't know if you can see it, it's so dark out. It's rotted there. And this piece was pretty rotted, this piece of trim. And I thought, oh, it's a lifetime guarantee, it won't rot. Well, it's a lifetime guarantee if you have a minimum of 8 inches. Well, anyway, here's what the house looks like from having the dirt up to it. I can just stab that knife right through the house here easily. So anyhow, you want a minimum of 8 inches of dirt. And you can clearly see, here's the top of the foundation, here's the dirt. He filled this in here. Ouch, got a sticker in my hand. And it rotted this board out. So you never want to go above the concrete with dirt. And I'm going to take it down here at least 8 inches. And as the house ages, the material builds up, the dirt gets deeper, and you might have had 8 inches when the house was built, and unless you keep after it, you won't, and then you end up with rotting. And the structure of the house is still sound, but this board here is pretty much junk, so I'll replace that.